Seasonic, the heart of your system.
Hi and welcome back to a new video. This one is about the power supply. I got this one sponsored by Seasonic. The guys from ASRock set it up for me and I'm really thankful for them that they did this. It's about the Seasonic TX-1000 power supply. It's a 1000 watt PSU with an 80 plus centanium rated efficiency. So let's see what's inside the box. Now that I've set you guys up, let's unpack it and see what's inside. Immediately we see some Velcro ties, some zip ties, the mounting screws and a Seasonic badge to put on your case. Some advertisement for Steam, how to install it and the user manual. Let's put that aside. This is a 24-pin jumper. It's to make your PSU think that it's powered on. This way you could, for instance, test all your fans, see if your pumps run, test your water loop. So that could come in handy for my new build. We got a power cable. I guess this is the bag full of the cables, which we'll dive into next. And over here we have a nice packed PSU. Just let me get everything aside here and let me get back to you. So first up, it's the PSU itself. Let's unpack it and see how it looks like. It's nicely packed, and as you can see, it has the fan opening. It's a fully modular power supply, so you can plug in the cables yourself and leave out everything that you don't need. Over here we have the power outlet, inlet, the power switch and a hybrid mode. I still have to look in what that does. So it looks pretty good. It's also not too heavy because my system will already become quite heavy. Let me stash out the cables for you guys and see what cables we've got. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I've stashed everything out. Let's start with the most important one. This is the 24-pin motherboard connector. They also gave in five SATA cables in different forms and sizes. This one is a loop-through SATA connector with 4 SATA slots on it, SATA connectors on it. So with this you can connect your hard drives or your SSDs or anything that requires SATA power. This one is a shorter one with only 2 connectors. We've got a Molex 2 SATA for if you don't have enough SATA connectors and you still need more, then you can loop it through a Molex connector. You have pass-through SATA connectors and another one with pass-through SATA connectors. Each one of these has 4 SATA connectors to it. Here I have two 8-pin EPS or CPU connectors or cables. Over here we have 2 times Molex connectors. One has 3 connectors on it, one has 2 connectors on it. And here I have 6 cables with 8-pin PCI connectors for your graphics cards. If you want to run like 3 GPUs with 2 times 8-pin connectors, then you have plenty of cables to do that. So guys, this was my video about the Seasonic TX-1000. I'm extremely happy that Osrock set this up for me and got in touch with Seasonic to get me this PSU. It's definitely more than enough power for my upcoming build. And again, a massive shout out to Seasonic and Osrock for setting this up for me. I can't thank you guys enough, so thank you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for any future videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!